Hello, let us solve for x and y given x plus y is equal to 20, sy is equal to 85. The given equation is x plus y is equal to 20. Let us call this equation 1. Sy is equal to 85. Let us call this equation 2. Then from equation 1, x plus y is equal to 20. Y is equal to 20 minus s. Let us call this equation 3. From equation 2, sy is equal to 85. Let us substitute for y, which is 20 minus x. S bracket 20 minus s is equal to 85. Let us open the bracket with s. S multiplied by 20. 20x minus s multiplied by x. S squared is equal to 85. And this can be written as 20x minus s squared minus 85 is equal to 0. Let us put this in standard form. Minus s squared plus 20x minus 85 is equal to 0. Let us divide the whole of this equation by minus 1. The minus s squared divided by minus 1, s squared plus 20x divided by minus 1 minus 20x minus 85 divided by minus 1. This is plus 85 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Let us solve this using quadratic general formula. S is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. And from this equation here, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 20, then c is equal to 85. S is equal to minus bracket minus 20 plus or minus square root of minus 20 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 85 divided by 2 multiplied by 1. S is equal to minus times minus 20. This is 20 plus or minus square root of minus 20 square. This is 400 minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 85. That is 340 divided by 2 multiplied by 1, 2. S is equal to 20 plus or minus square root of 400 minus 340. That is 60 divided by 2. S is equal to 20 plus or minus square root of 60 can be written as 4 multiplied by 15 divided by 2. S is equal to 20 plus or minus square root of 4 is 2 root 15 divided by 2. 2 here 1, 2 here 1, and then 2 here 10. S is equal to 10 plus or minus square root of 15. Therefore, S1 is equal to 10 plus root 15 and S2 is equal to 10 minus root 15. These are the values of x. We've gotten the values of s. Let us solve for y. To solve for y, from equation 3, y is equal to 20 minus x. y1 is equal to 20 minus x1 is 10 plus root 15, and the y2 is equal to 20 minus s2 is 10 minus root 15. y1 is equal to 20 minus 10 minus root 15. y1 is equal to 20 minus 10. This is 10 minus root 15. This is the value of y1. Also, y2 is equal to 20 minus 10 plus root 15. y2 is equal to 20 minus 10. This is 10 plus root 15. Therefore, our final answer are s1, y1 is equal to 10 plus root 15, 10 minus root 15. s2, y2 is equal to 10 minus root 15, 10 plus root 15. You can see that the value of s1a is equal to the value of y2a, and the value of y1a is equal to the value of s2a. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation: s plus y is equal to 20. sy is equal to 85. Now let us consider this. S plus y can be written as 10 plus root 15 plus 10 minus root 15 must be equal to 20. This minus root 15 cancel this plus root 15. We have 10 plus 10. This is 20 is equal to 20, which is true. Then xy can be written as 10 plus root 15 multiplied by 10 minus root 15 must be equal to 85. 10 times 10, this is 100 minus 10 multiplied by root 15, this is 10 root 15 plus root 15 multiplied by 10, 10 root 15, then plus root 15 multiplied by minus root 15, this is minus 15, must be equal to 85. This cancel this. 100 minus 15 is equal to 85. 100 minus 15, this is 85, is equal to 85, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe. Bye.